Hello everyone. Welcome back to From 9 to 5 to Wealth. Dealing with debt that has slowly built up over time and caught you off guard can feel incredibly daunting, especially when unexpected life events like losing your job, a drop in income, a new baby, or business setbacks hit. It can be especially overwhelming when you're literally broke, juggling credit card bills, personal loans, and a mortgage. I've been there, done that. However, with a structured plan, determination, patience, and the right strategies, you can begin making smart financial decisions and turn your situation around. In this video, we'll cover detailed, actionable, and proven steps that anyone in this tough spot can take to get out of debt quickly and start building wealth. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. First, we need to get a clear picture of our financial situation. Start by listing all your debts, including the creditor, total amount owed, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. Next, track all your income and expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Analyze your income and expenses. Track income. List all sources of income, including salary, side jobs, and any other earnings. Track expenses. Categorize and track all expenses over a month to identify where your money is going. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. Prioritize needs over wants. Essential expenses. Focus on necessities like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Cut non-essentials. Temporarily eliminate or reduce spending on non-essentials such as dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions. Implement the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs. Allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses. 30% for wants. Allocate 30% to discretionary spending. Temporarily reduce this to 10% or less if necessary. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Allocate 20% or more for savings and paying down debt. Step 3. Develop a debt repayment plan. Choose a repayment strategy. Debt snowball. Focus on paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum. Debt avalanche. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first to save on interest costs. Negotiate with creditors. Lower interest rates. Contact creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or request a hardship plan. Debt settlement. In some cases, negotiate a lump sum payment for less than the full amount owed. Step 4. Increase your income. Explore side hustles, freelancing. Utilize skills like writing, graphic design, or programming to earn extra income. Gig economy. Consider driving for ride-sharing services, delivering food, or doing small tasks via platforms like TaskRabbit. Sell unnecessary items. Declutter. Sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Step 5. Consolidate and refinance debt. Debt consolidation loan. Single payment. Combine multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Fixed term. A fixed repayment term can make it easier to manage payments. Transfer credit card balance. 0% AP or promotions. Transfer high-interest credit card debt to a card with a 0% introductory APR. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. Start small. Initial goal. Aim for $500 to $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses without resorting to credit. However, your main emergency fund, part of your overall strategy to rapidly increase your personal wealth, should be 3 to 6 months' worth of salary to face any unexpected adverse issue like a car breakdown, a health scare, etc. Automate savings, regular contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your employer's paycheck to a dedicated savings account. Step 7. Invest in your future. Start with retirement accounts. For 401k or IRA, contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans or individual retirement accounts (IRAs). Please go to our channel and check one of our videos about these types of accounts, which are one of the greatest financial products to build wealth. Diversify investments. Low-cost index funds. Invest in diversified, low-cost index funds to build wealth over time. Education and skills. Invest in education and skills that can increase your earning potential. Step 8. Maintain financial discipline. L. Monitor progress, regular review. Frequently review your budget, spending, and debt repayment progress. Adjust as needed. Make adjustments to your plan as your financial situation evolves. B. Stay motivated. Set milestones. Break down your financial goals into smaller, achievable milestones. Reward yourself. Celebrate when you reach key milestones in a budget-friendly way. Summary. Getting out of debt and building wealth requires discipline, strategic planning, and perseverance, but it's not difficult because you just have to decide to follow a blueprint and stay committed to it. Afterwards, it's just a matter of stick to that plan with patience, having your envisioned future always in your mind. Now, as a bonus, let's think about how to handle the psychological pressure, stress, and harassment from lenders, individuals, or legal representatives of financial institutions you owe money to. Dealing with debt can be very stressful and anxiety-inducing. It's important to develop mental wellness habits to withstand the pressure that uncontrolled debt brings. Here are some helpful tips for managing out-of-control debt at a mental level. Approaching creditors and individuals you owe money to. When approaching creditors, be honest and transparent about your situation. Stay calm and polite and propose a realistic repayment plan. For individuals you owe money, to have a personal conversation, show empathy, and offer a clear repayment plan. Remember, maintaining perspective and self-compassion is crucial during this time. 1. Staying collected and managing negative emotions. L. Relax and boost your good mood. Mindfulness, praying, relaxation techniques. Engage in daily and quality praying time, mindfulness practices, or other relaxation techniques to neutralize stress and anxiety symptoms. Stay present and reduce stress. Breathing exercises. Use deep breathing techniques to calm your mind during moments of anxiety, away or while meeting with your lenders. Physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise, either aerobics or strength training, into your routine to boost mood and relieve stress. B. Develop a support system. Talk to friends and family. Share your feelings and struggles with trusted individuals who can offer support. Join support groups. Consider joining debt support groups, either in person or online, to connect with others in similar situations. C. Focus on small wins. Set small, achievable goals. Break down your larger financial goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate each milestone to maintain motivation and a positive outlook. 2. Approaching creditors and individuals you owe money to. L. Preparation. Know your situation. Have a clear understanding of your financial situation, including income, expenses, and debts. Create a plan. Develop a realistic repayment plan to propose to your creditors. B. Communication. Be honest and transparent. Clearly explain your financial situation and your intention to repay the debt. Stay calm and polite. Approach each conversation with a calm demeanor and respectful attitude, even if the creditor is aggressive. C. Negotiation strategies. Offer a good faith payment. Show your commitment by offering a small initial payment, even if it's not the full amount. Request reduced payments. Ask for lower monthly payments that are more manageable within your budget. Negotiate for lower interest rates. See if the creditor is willing to lower the interest rate to make the debt more affordable. Explore settlement options. For larger debts, propose a lump sum settlement for a reduced total amount. D. Handling individuals you owe money to. Personal approach. Meet in person or have a phone conversation rather than communicating via text or email. Show empathy. Acknowledge their situation and explain how you plan to repay them. Propose a plan. Offer a clear, realistic repayment plan and stick to it. A psychological blueprint for facing pressure. 1. Maintain perspective, long-term view. Keep in mind that this situation is temporary and you are taking steps to improve it. Focus on what you can control. Concentrate on actions you can take rather than worrying about things beyond your control. 2. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and that you are working towards a solution. Avoid negative self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and reminders of your progress. 3. Prioritize self-care. Healthy lifestyle. Ensure you are eating well, getting enough sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Take breaks. Allow yourself time to rest and recharge to avoid burnout. 4. Set boundaries. Limit stressful interactions. Minimize contact with creditors and individuals who are causing excessive stress. Schedule conversations. Arrange specific times to discuss debts rather than dealing with them at random moments. By staying collected, managing your emotions, and approaching creditors with honesty and respect, you can navigate this challenging period more effectively. Remember that you are not alone, and there are resources and people available to support you. Unfortunately, this super important video has come to an end. Thanks for joining us on From 9 to 5 to Wealth. Remember, getting out of debt and building wealth is a journey, and every step counts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on building wealth fast and achieving financial freedom. Together, we can go from 9 to 5 to true wealth. See you in the next video.